Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, you are welcome to my channel. It feels so good to have you here. So guys, on today's video we're going to be making this yummy, sweet, nice, tasty sweet potato and plantain porridge. These are the ingredients used: pumpkin leaves, plantain, sweet potato, seasoning cubes, onions, pepper, garlic and ginger, and fish. So first, go straight by washing your hands and washing your sweet potato. Peel your sweet potatoes and then cut them into smaller sizes. After that, pick your plantain, peel them and then cut them into smaller sizes. After doing that, go forward to wash your plantain and sweet potato. Wash them. After washing them, add water and leave to boil. The next thing is to cut your bell pepper into smaller sizes. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Yes, go forward and cut your pumpkin leaves into smaller sizes also. After doing that, the next thing you do is to dice your onions into smaller sizes. I've said smaller sizes so much in this video. Then cut your fish and then wash your fish, season it and parboil it. The next thing is to debone your fish. By this time, your plantain and sweet potato should have been cooked. Yep, it is soft enough and chewable. The next thing you're going to do right now is add pepper, add onions, ginger and garlic, add more pepper, stir together. Go forward, add your fish stock, then add your bell pepper. After adding your bell pepper, add your seasoning cubes, add your thyme, curry powder, salt and deboned fish. Cover and allow to cook. After cooking, you see it's already looking so yummy and sumptuous. The next thing to do now is to add palm oil and stir together. After stirring it, you can already see that this food is looking so nice, so sumptuous, so lovely, so yummy. Like, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Just look at this food. Just see this food. Just do this food. See how this food is so yummy. Like, don't you want to eat this already? I think you should try this out like as soon as you can. Then add your pumpkin leaves. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. You can use the spinach, you can use scent leaf as you wish, but I prefer to use pumpkin leaves because I like the flavor it gives to the food. So after adding your pumpkin leaves, you stir together, mix it together. I'm hungry, gosh. Mix it together. Your food is ready. Basically, this food looks so nice and it's super tasty. Like, it tastes better than it looks. Just look at this food now. Look at this food. Even the lighting wasn't doing justice to this food, but look at this food. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.